Didn't feel any different from taking any other vaccine.
Great.
Governor Cuomo, I'm feeling well. I would like to thank all the frontline workers, all my colleagues who've been doing a yeoman's job to fight this pandemic all over the world. I am hopeful. I feel hopeful today. Relieved. I feel like healing is coming. I hope this marks the beginning to the end of a very painful time in our history. I want to instill public confidence that the vaccine is safe. We're in a pandemic, and so we all need to do our parts to put an end to the pandemic.
To be continued. Give support to me by subscribe my YouTube channel. Do check out my video and subscribe to my channel. I would like to hear your feedback.